Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're diving into Surfer SEO, found at surferseo.com. This platform offers a suite of tools designed to boost your website's search engine optimization, SEO. Essentially, Surfer SEO helps you craft content that's optimized for specific keywords, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. One of its core features is its content editor, which analyzes the top ranking pages for your target keywords and provides recommendations on factors like word count, keyword density, and relevant topics to cover. It goes beyond simple keyword stuffing, suggesting semantically related keywords and phrases to ensure your content is comprehensive and resonates with both search engines and readers. Think of it as a roadmap for creating high-quality, SEO-friendly content. Surfer SEO also boasts a SERP analyzer that allows you to dissect the competition. By examining the top-performing pages, you gain insights into their content strategies, backlink profiles, and overall SEO approach. This competitive intelligence can be incredibly valuable in identifying opportunities to outrank your rivals. Moreover, Surfer SEO offers a keyword research tool to help you discover new and relevant keywords to target. This tool provides data on search volume, keyword difficulty, and related keywords, allowing you to make informed decisions about which keywords to pursue. Beyond these core features, Surfer SEO provides additional tools like the Content Planner, which helps you create a content calendar based on keyword clusters and topic relevance, and the Audit tool, which analyzes your existing web pages for SEO issues and suggests improvements. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or just starting out, Surfer SEO provides a powerful set of tools to enhance your content strategy and improve your search engine rankings. It simplifies the often complex world of SEO, making it more accessible and manageable for everyone. So, if you're serious about improving your online visibility, I definitely recommend checking out Surfer SEO.